Your morning set the tone for your entire day. And if you are dealing with PCOS, it's essential to kickstart your routine with hormone balancing habits. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Hydrate first. Start with a glass of water, ideally with some lemon to support digestion and detoxification. Hydration helps balance blood sugar level, which is crucial for managing PCOS. Number 2. Morning movement. A quick 20-minute walk or some gentle yoga can help lower cortisol levels, boost insulin sensitivity, and promote a healthy metabolism. Movement in the morning stabilizes your blood sugar and primes your hormone for the day ahead. Number 3. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Avoid sugary carousels or pastries. Instead, opt for a breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and fibers. Think scrambled eggs with avocado or a chia seed pudding with nuts and berries. This will keep you feeling fuller longer and prevent insulin spikes. Number 4. Take your supplements. After breakfast, take your PCOS supporting supplements like Inositol or vitamin D to give your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Mindful movement. Take a few minutes for deep breathing or meditation. Stress can aggravate PCOS symptoms, and mindfulness helps lower cortisol levels, balancing your hormone and setting a calm tone for the day.